When I was living abroad, I found myself in a situation when recreating typical Polish dishes was impossible. Some ingredients weren't available at all or only appeared in gourmet shops selling imported foods. One of the ingredients I sorely missed was sour cream. Had I only known how easy it is to make it at home. The full recipe, as usual, can be found on the blog. What dishes do you use sour cream in? Let me know in the comments. As far as ingredients go, this is as simple as it gets. I'm going to use sweet cream and unpasteurized buttermilk. The buttermilk can be replaced with some sour cream from the previous batch or freeze-dried bacteria cultures. Had the cream been skimmed from unpasteurized milk, no additional ingredients would be needed at all. Raw cream sours all by itself. The purpose of adding buttermilk is to introduce bacteria responsible for the souring. Specifically, it's Lactococcus lactis, naturally present in raw cow's milk. The bacteria feed on lactose and convert it to lactic acid. A small amount of carbon dioxide is also produced in the process. Not enough for the cream to become fizzy, but definitely enough to create visible air bubbles. My cream contains 12% fat and is normally added to coffee. It's runny, similar to milk. Buttermilk obviously is much thicker, but still liquid. I will now add a very small amount of buttermilk into the cream. Again, all I'm doing is introducing bacteria to the cream. A couple of teaspoons is plenty. I stir the buttermilk in and close the lid. The cream will remain on the counter at room temperature for at least a day and a maximum of 2. During that time, lactic acid will gradually be produced. Apart from adding flavor, it will also thicken the cream by denaturing its proteins, specifically casein. After 24 hours, my sour cream is ready. It looks like this. The air bubbles are clearly visible. The consistency is now thick and gel-like. The flavor is, well, sour. Very nice. But sour cream isn't served on its own. In order to properly taste it, I'll make one of my favorite salads, miseria. I'll finally chop some onions. Then slice cucumbers and radishes. Some salt and pepper are an absolute must. Finally, I'll add some sour cream. This is probably more than I need since cucumbers will release a lot of moisture too, but that's how I like it. A good mix and I'm all done. While miseria tastes great as a side dish, I'll have it with a freshly baked bread roll. It tastes amazing. The sour cream balances out the sweetness of the cucumbers. It all tastes very harmonious. It's simply delicious.